Hi guys, I spotted this on the Tinkercad ready-made files, so I printed it off. Just have a look at it. I did have it in the back of my mind maybe to modify it, put LEDs for the eyes and stick one of those chokes in it so it picks up wireless signals. But I thought I'd print one off just to see how well it printed first. So we'll see if the fingers break when we try and separate it out. I'd have to make it a bit bigger if I wanted to put LEDs inside the eyes. But that's easy enough just to scale it up. Come on. Well, the bits that I expected to have trouble with, the legs, have come out all right. I was having more trouble getting his tummy to release. Yeah, it looks a little bit rough around the edges, but then you won't be looking at those bits. Ah, yeah, his leg's broken there. Nothing you can't fix with a bit of glue. I think we've lost a finger there. Because if I was going to print it bigger to get LEDs in the eyes, then some of these problems won't occur, because it'll be bigger and stronger. Well, that's not bad. Yeah, okay, so we printed a frog. I can't remember what it was called, what type of frog it was called. But I'll put it in the video description. But that's just one of the Tinkercad files. You didn't have to do anything to it other than resize it to whatever size you wanted. Yeah, if I want to put LEDs in the eyes, it has to be significantly bigger. Out here somewhere. That took about an hour to print, or maybe a little bit more. On the, not the best setting, but one of the reasonable settings. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.